S tier, car sales for car people. We pick up, enclose door-to-door transport. Hassle-free from the start. We prep, full mechanical and cosmetic inspection, detail, and condition documentation. We get it right before a single photo is taken. We photograph, professional photos and video built beyond what buyers expect on auction day. We post, listing strategy and buyer interactions handled. Position your car to achieve its highest value. You get paid. Paperwork, payment, and logistics fully handled, so you can close with confidence. S tier, car sales for car people.